the moment there are something like 30,000 people working in East Warrington, but with lots of people come lots of cars.
The Birchwood Cluster, very, very important cluster. It's the home of Britain's nuclear engineering industry. It was already subject to a fair amount of road congestion, and if we couldn't clear that congestion, then we couldn't get any further development on the site.
From a construction point of view, fixing the problem before it's already failing makes it a lot easier to actually implement it on the ground. When the traffic's already congested and already queuing, trying to then build a project is far more difficult.
The worst hotspots of traffic congestion in Birchwood were identified, and this project sought to do something about it.
But very often these bids come along with very tight timescales attached to them. So you've got to put your bid in but be able to commit to delivering in quite a short time. And really it was almost an off-chance meeting between ourselves and Balfour Beatty that we became aware that the Scape framework was available, and looked at it and thought it absolutely fitted what we needed to do as far as delivery.
Our frameworks are the only ones of their type in the country which offer a single supplier route, and very importantly, the quickest way for the client to start speaking with the contractor who will be delivering their project.
The project was made up of 3 particular projects. It was removal of a roundabout at Scape with a new signalised junction.
And we replaced a fairly small roundabout with a significant 6-lane traffic light junction, which means that in many instances now traffic doesn't even slow down. The next project you come to is the bus gate, and that has made a significant difference to bus journey times.
And also what's known locally as a dog bone roundabout, signalisation of part of that.
By installing traffic lights, we were able to hold the traffic on the roundabout and allow all the traffic commuting into Birchwood in the morning to flow in without slowing down.
As part of the scheme, we also improved the pedestrian routes and the cycle paths, and they are well used in the area, especially with it being a busy area. A lot of people taking advantage to use the parks at lunchtime.
The feedback has been absolutely fabulous. What you don't normally get, and we have here, is emails from people saying how fantastic the improvements have been.
This was the first of several projects which are being structured for delivery here in Warrington.
Warrington has got a massive growth agenda, and it's actually terms of called Warrington Means Business. We've had a lot of success not only at Birchwood Park but at Meager. We're investing 150 million in the town centre at the moment. We're about to commence a major alteration to Junction A to the M62. A lot of infrastructure to serve not only some of our existing congestion issues but also serve that regeneration as we go forward.
So not only is the project one that has made a huge improvement to the congestion, but Warrington Borough Council can be really proud of what they did.